Welcome to Salty Couple, guys. My name is Nick. My wife Jess will be with us shortly. And today we're going to be doing a different kind of video than what we usually do. Usually we take you out and we go on this. But today we're going to be doing something we're just as passionate about, which is going to be this right here. So I rented in Key West for the weekend. It's my birthday weekend. Actually, today's my birthday, 46. And we're going to bring you guys along with us so you could enjoy the ride and see all the views that we see along the way. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the road. Stretch our legs a little bit more. Alright, we're right here before we hit the 18-mile stretch. The Last Chance Saloon. So, see you on the road. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Last Chance Saloon, but it's a pretty cool bar right before you get on the 18-mile stretch. At night they do karaoke sometimes, but it's a pretty cool little bar.
Song for you, my beautiful people, my beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. There are many things we cannot hide, there are many bonds that can be undone, just like our bond, yeah. Everything in life is a sacrifice, but I know it was worth. Song, oh beautiful people, oh beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. I dedicate this song to you.
Decided to stop at Hog Heaven, one of our favorite spots here. They're not the best pork belly. It's supposed to be candied. It's really not. It's kind of undersalted, but it's okay.
Undercrisped.
Undercrisped. The burger, definitely better than the pork belly. The fries are actually pretty delicious. Worth it. Can't complain. But the burgers are definitely better. So we just left Hog Heaven, and listen, we've been here at night, and the place is pretty awesome. Cool vibe. If you want to come here to have some drinks and have a good time, it's like definitely a good place. As far as food goes, first time we've come here early like this, and it's okay. You'll be fine, but I can't sit here and tell you it's the best food in the Keys. So I'll leave it at that. Either way, gonna get back on the road and continue this journey.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What's up, guys? So we're in Marathon right now, and I gotta be honest. What a beautiful day. We couldn't have picked a better day. This has been amazing. It's been clear skies. It's not hot, it's not cold. Kind of in between. We only have about another hour before sunset. And it's about an hour to Key West, so we want to keep moving until we get to Key West. I don't want to be riding at night too much, but I mean, gotta be honest, it's been amazing. And glad you guys been with us. See you in Key West.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I dedicate this song to you, my beautiful people, my beautiful people. Come and sing along, yeah. Here I got a song for you, my beautiful people. My beautiful people, come and sing along, yeah. There are many things we cannot hide. There are many bonds that can be undone, just like our bond, yeah.
So here we go. Here's the room. Finally made it over here to Key West. It's the kids' bathroom. Gonna be the boys' room. So they'll be staying. Okay. Kitchen over here. Full living room. This will be our bedroom. A nice big bathroom with a bathtub. And look at the stars later. And then a nice balcony out here where I could drink a glass of wine and smoke a cigar. Can't complain. This is gonna be pretty nice. Finally made it to Key West. We're gonna chill for a little bit, and then once the boys get here, probably head to Duval Street and see what's going on over there. But it was nice. It was a nice ride. So see you guys on Duval Street.
Oh, that's good.
Very good. What's this place called?
Berlin's?
This place called Berlin's. Very good. Worth checking out if you want a good cocktail. Apparently they have a food menu, but we're not really that hungry right now, so you guys should check it out.
So check this out. This is gonna be your Keys Christmas tree made out of lobster traps. Gotta love the Keys. What's going on, good people? So originally I was gonna make one video of my trip to Key West, of our trip to Key West. We're gonna make one long continuous video, but I had way too much footage to do that. So I'm gonna end up breaking it up into 2 different videos. So stay tuned, and in a couple days I'll put part 2 of our trip to Key West on the motorcycle. Until then, stay salty.